a nurse in the US. Welcome to my channel, Natural Connection. In this video, you will learn 2 of the most effective natural sleep aids and their health benefits. We all know that sleep is so important for our health and wellness, but nowadays there are so many people who cannot sleep or fall asleep. Let's get started. The first one is using magnesium supplement. Magnesium is a mineral that our human body needs daily to function effectively. It's an essential multi-purpose mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. There are several forms of magnesium supplements, including magnesium oxide, magnesium citrate, and others. The main purpose of using magnesium citrate and other forms of magnesium is to maintain healthy levels, since magnesium deficiency can contribute to a wide variety of symptoms and conditions, including trouble sleeping, headaches, fatigue, and muscle aches or spasms. How magnesium may help improve sleep. It increases serotonin and melatonin. It decreases adrenaline, lowers the fight or flight mechanism. It promotes muscle relaxation. It decreases inflammation. It helps decrease restless leg syndrome. It supports the heart. It may lessen arrhythmia. It helps decrease PMS cramping. I personally use magnesium citrate powder. Magnesium citrate is an over-the-counter magnesium preparation made with a combination of salt and citric acid. Magnesium citrate is sometimes described as a saline laxative because it effectively works to relieve constipation and clear out the intestines. You can buy any brand of magnesium supplements online or from the pharmacy. I have been using the magnesium citrate myself, and I have been using the bulk supplement magnesium citrate. This is the bulk supplement magnesium citrate brand. I personally have been using this for more than 3 years, and I like it very much, and I trust this brand. I use this brand because most of its supplements don't have other harmful ingredients or fillers added. It's not expensive. This can last me for at least 4 months, depending on how much I take. I also buy other supplements from this company, bulk supplement. If you would like to buy from the same brand that I use, please feel free to use the link I provided below in the video description or the discount coupon code to get 5% off your order. And I hope it's helpful. My discount code is Sunny Natural. This is magnesium citrate. It's the one I bought. But you can also buy other supplements from this brand. Magnesium citrate has many health benefits, include cleaning stool from the intestines. You might ask if magnesium citrate make you poop. Yes, it usually results in a bowel movement within 30 minutes to 8 hours, depending on the type you take and the dosage. Magnesium citrate pulls water into the intestines due to its chemical structure. Magnesium and citric acid have oppositely charged atoms, which causes an osmotic effect to take place in your digestive tract when you consume them together. It can also relieve constipation, gas, and bloating. It helps regulate muscle and nerve functions. Because magnesium is an electrolyte that is particularly important for the muscles and nerve cells, using magnesium citrate may provide benefits like enhancing relaxation, increasing sleep quality, and helping with stress relief. It also can help fight muscle spasms. aches and pains, since magnesium helps contracted muscles relax. It supports higher energy levels or preventing fatigue. It may help protect against kidney stones. High calcium levels in the urine can contribute to kidney stones. In fact, it's estimated that high urinary calcium is the cause of kidney stones in upward of 80% of cases. Calcium and magnesium work together to balance each other out, and magnesium may be able to decrease accumulation of calcium, thereby supporting good kidney health. It also supports bone and dental health. Magnesium is an essential mineral for maintaining bone density, normal cardiac function, pulmonary function, and healthy blood glucose levels. Having adequate levels is important for maintaining normal blood pressure and heartbeat rhythms, protecting against issues like hypertension, arrhythmia, which is irregular heartbeats. This is why deficiency in magnesium may lead to metabolic and circulatory changes that increase the risk of developing chronic conditions like cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, osteoporosis, and others. Magnesium is also needed to help with proper absorption of vitamin D, which has been associated with better protection against osteoporosis, weak bones, a weakened immune system, and a number of illnesses. Vitamin D and magnesium, along with calcium and vitamin K, can help regulate bone metabolism. It helps maintain normal blood pressure, heart rhythms, and blood glucose levels. It helps maintain a positive outlook and calmness. It supports healthy immune system function. Research shows that usually the types that dissolve in liquid are better absorbed in the gut than less soluble forms. Some research suggests that magnesium citrate, chelate, and chloride forms are typically absorbed better than magnesium supplements in oxide and magnesium sulfate forms. There are different types of magnesium citrate supplements that are available. Magnesium citrate powder is a popular form of magnesium that is stirred into water or another fluid and taken for nutritional support. The powder is combined with water. This is the type I use. I just add the powder into a cup of water when I take it. The second one is magnesium citrate liquid. This form is the type usually taken for its laxative effects. Other ingredients might also be added to enhance the taste, such as potassium, lemon oil, and sugar. And the other one is magnesium oxide, typically used as laxative and remedy for acid reflux. This type may be taken in higher doses than other forms since it's not absorbed as well. Let's talk about magnesium citrate dosages. If you are taking magnesium citrate as a nutritional supplement, a general recommendation for adults is to take between 200 and 400 milligrams per day, orally in a single daily dose, or in divided doses, with a full glass of water. If you are taking magnesium citrate for the purpose of constipation, relief, or bowel evacuation, the standard dose is 195 to 300 ml of liquid magnesium in a single daily dose or in divided doses with full glass of water, or 2 to 4 tablets before bedtime. However, sometimes a patient may take higher doses up to 900 milligrams daily if working with a healthcare provider. Here are tips for taking magnesium citrate. If using a magnesium citrate powder, start with a low dose, about half a teaspoon daily or 200 milligrams or less, and increase as needed to the full or recommended amount as stated on the product label. Take this product with a full glass of water, at least 8 ounces. since it works by pulling water into the intestines. Magnesium can usually be taken with or without food. If magnesium citrate is not working for you, you may need to increase the dosage you are taking or try splitting the dose in 2 parts. If you are looking for other benefits besides constipation relief, consider trying another form of magnesium or getting your doctor's advice. Let's talk about the risks and side effects. Magnesium citrate may have a laxative effect in some cases when taken in high doses, but is otherwise considered safe for most people. Let's say it's possible for magnesium citrate side effects to occur, especially if you take a high dose for an extended period of time. The side effects may include dehydration symptoms, losing too much body water, diarrhea, decreased weight. You also shouldn't take magnesium citrate or other laxatives if you are taking antibiotics, especially tetracycline or quinolone. If you need to take both, take them at least 2 hours apart. If you have any of the following medical conditions, talk to your doctor before you start taking magnesium citrate. Kidney disease, GI issues that last longer than 2 weeks, frequent stomach pains, nausea, vomiting, or if you have been told to follow a low magnesium or low potassium diet. The second most effective natural sleep aid is melatonin. What is melatonin? It's a hormone secreted by the pineal gland in the brain. It helps regulate our internal clocks, which is circadian rhythms, that determine when we wake up and sleep. Supplementing may help treat insomnia, delayed sleep phase disorder, jet lag, sleep problems related to menopause, pain, and a number of other issues. When it's dark, the secretion and production of melatonin increase. When it's light, the secretion and production of melatonin decrease. Jet lag, shift work, and poor vision can cause sleep problems due to disrupted melatonin cycles. Caffeine, tobacco, and alcohol can all lower levels. And blue light emitted by screens, TV, computer, phone, etc. suppresses production, making it more difficult to fall asleep. Some foods that naturally increase production include oats, banana, tart cherries, walnuts, pineapple, and barley. Daytime exercise and light exposure also promote regular circadian rhythms and help ensure higher levels at night. Most doctors and researchers recommend supplementing with no more than 5 milligrams per day, but recommendations vary by person and condition. 1 to 3 milligrams per day is usually a good place to start. Health benefits of taking melatonin. What is melatonin used for when taken as a supplement? By far its best known usage is as a natural sleep aid. But did you know that it also serves many other functions too, such as supporting your immune system, cardiovascular function, and reproductive health? Recent studies indicate that some of the many benefits and uses of melatonin include natural sleep aid, eases jet lag, help relieve stress, supports production of human growth hormone, fighting free radicals and having antioxidant actions, facilitating bone formation and protection, assisting in reproduction, supporting detoxification, regulating body mass, providing gastrointestinal protection, protecting against psychiatric disorders, mood disorders, and cardiovascular diseases, may help protect the brain. Research suggests that supplementing with melatonin may help people with disrupted circadian rhythms such as people who work the night shift and people who have jet lag. Supplementation may also help individuals sleep better who have chronically low levels, like people with schizophrenia who have poor sleep quality. Research has shown that the most effective dosage is 0.5 mg to 5 mg. From my personal experiences of using melatonin, 0.5 to 1 mg works best for me when I have problems sleeping or when I used to work night shift or evening shift nurse. It's recommended to take the melatonin 1.5 hours before your normal sleep time to be the most effective. You can easily find melatonin at your nearest health store or online in a number of forms: capsule, tablet, liquid, and more. I personally buy the 1 mg tablet melatonin from Amazon. I use a split cutter to cut the 1 mg tablet in half when I take it, because I usually take only 0.5 mg. Are you wondering how much melatonin to take? Most doctors and researchers recommend no more than 5 mg per day, but recommendations vary by person and condition. It's possible to purchase 10 mg melatonin supplements, which are often sold as extra strength or maximum strength, but it's a good idea to check with your doctor before taking any product containing more than 5 mg. There are currently no standard recommended melatonin dosage because people react differently to taking it. For people who are very sensitive, lower doses appear to work better. For sleep troubles, you should know that the right dose should help you sleep well with no daytime tiredness or irritability. So if you are always tired, it can be a great option to reverse that trend. It's always a good idea to start off with a very low dose of melatonin and see how you do. You can follow supplement directions on the label or consult an expert if you are unsure about how much to take. You can help this supplement work even better by naturally getting yourself ready to sleep, such as by keeping the lights dim, staying off of your computer, smartphone, or tablet, staying more than 6 feet away from any screen such as your TV, doing something relaxing such as showering or reading as part of your bedtime routine, eating foods that can help naturally increase production, such as oats, banana, tart cherries, walnuts, pineapple, and barley, and by getting exposure to daylight during the morning and afternoon, taking between 0.5 and 3 mg of melatonin seems to be a healthy range for most adults. For jet lag, 0.5 to 5 mg of melatonin by mouth 1 hour before bedtime at final destination has been used in several studies. What are the most common melatonin side effects? Melatonin side effects can include dizziness, headaches, nausea, or irritability. Some also experience vivid dreams or nightmares. Melatonin nightmares are typically a sign that you need to decrease how much you are taking. You never want to start out with the max dose. Instead, you want to start small and gradually increase if needed. Drug interactions. Melatonin can decrease the effectiveness of some medications, while actually decreasing side effects from others. Here are some possible drug interactions to be aware of: antidepressant medications, birth control pill, blood pressure medications, blood thinner medications, steroids, and immunosuppressant medications. Speak with your doctor first before taking melatonin if you have any ongoing health concerns or are currently taking any other medications. I hope these 2 natural remedies can help you sleep like a baby. I really hope this video can help you with sleep and solve your problem. Please comment below and let me know your thoughts about the video, and I would like to know if those natural remedies are helpful. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe for more helpful videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Please be sure to check out my other helpful videos. I hope you have a great week. Bye.